is Soul Finder YouTube. Alright, no. Okay, see this tin foil? We're gonna see what happens when you put a piece of tin foil in the microwave for 11 seconds. You see that, right? See that piece of tin foil? And we're gonna shut off the lights now. I'm gonna type in 11 seconds. I'm probably skipping. Holy shit. That freaked the shit on me. Holy fuck. I gotta do that again. Holy shit, man. Oh, that's fucking crazy shit. Man, wow. Yeah, man, that was Soul Finder YouTube. On YouTube, brand internet. Alright, man, partnering up with Dumb Shit Studios also. Fucking, that was wild as hell. Alright, fuck, man. I can see a bit of smoke coming up. Holy shit. Alright, man. Bye, man.